Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Knowledge In. My name is Salman Haider and today we'll talk about statistical mathematics. So stats is a subject and mathematics is another subject. When we tend to combine these two things, a new branch tend to emerge and that is categorized as statistical mathematics. Now, as you guys know that mathematics happens to be the king of sciences. When we try to define mathematics, its orthodox or bookish definition is that mathematics is a discipline or it is a science in which we talk about quality, change, space, time by using certain formulas, axioms and definitions. But when we try to talk about statistics, statistics is a science in which we tend to analyze numerical data. So when we combine these two things together, we tend to get another discipline which we call statistical mathematics. Now when it comes to O levels, A levels, IGCSE, in all these like classes and the junior mathematics, we normally talk about statistical mathematics in a chapter in which there are three topics with which every student is quite familiar with. I tend to take the name of these three topics. One happens to be mean, and then we have a mode, and then we have a median. Alright, so let's talk about these things. First of all, we'll talk about mean. Let's say I have certain numbers like 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. And someone asked me to calculate its mean. So all I need to do, I tend to use a formula. Mean has a formula that sum of numbers, all these 5 numbers, divided by number of numbers. Number of numbers. Alright, how will I do it? Sum of numbers. 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 and plus 16. And how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I'm going to divide them with 5. So all I need to do is just add them together. So there are 5 tens, so 50, 56, 61, 65, 68 and 70. So 70 divided by 5, so my mean happens to be 14. This is how we calculate mean. I hope you got it. Okay, let me reiterate that. Okay, look, here we usually have certain numbers and means formula is sum of numbers divided by number of numbers. So all these 5 numbers, all I did, I just added them up and divided them with 5 because there happen to be 5 numbers. So I got the mean like 14. So this is how we normally calculate mean. But sometimes we tend to look at these things and we try to figure it out how to calculate these things without even mentioning them because it's all about practice, you know. So let's do another question of mean. Here I'm going to change the numbers and let's see how it will unfold right in front of you. Let's say there's a question in which we have numbers like this: 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, 1.0 and 1.6. So when it comes to the mean of the decimal numbers, again, means sum of numbers divided by number of numbers. So 1.4 plus 1.6 plus 1.8 plus 1.0 happens to be 1 now. So 1.6 and again